Are you ready to make money online through affiliate marketing, but not sure how to choose the right programs? Stick around, because today we're diving into everything you need to know to select the best affiliate programs for your niche. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the right affiliate programs. Choosing the right affiliate programs. What you need to know. This is part 2 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we're going to explore the key factors you need to consider when selecting affiliate programs that align with your niche. From commission rates and product quality to program reputation and more, we'll cover it all. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services. However, one of the biggest challenges new affiliate marketers face is choosing the right affiliate programs. With thousands of options available, how do you know which programs will be the most profitable and trustworthy? Selecting the wrong programs can lead to wasted efforts, low commissions, and even damage to your reputation. That's why it's crucial to make informed decisions from the start. Let's dive into the key factors you need to consider when choosing affiliate programs. 1. Understanding commission rates. Commission rates are a critical factor in determining your earnings potential. Different affiliate programs offer varying commission structures, and it's important to understand how they work. Flat rate, a fixed amount per sale or action. For example, you might earn $10 for every sale you generate. Percentage-based, a percentage of the sale amount. For instance, you might earn 10% of the sale price. Recurring commissions. Earn commissions for repeat purchases or subscriptions. These can be very lucrative if the product has high customer retention. When evaluating commission rates, consider the average order value, AOV, of the products you're promoting. Higher-priced items with decent commission percentages can be more profitable than lower-priced items with high percentages. 2. Assessing product quality. Product quality is another crucial aspect. Promoting high-quality products not only increases your chances of conversions but also builds trust with your audience. Here are some tips to assess product quality. Research reviews. Look for customer reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback is a good indicator of product quality. Personal experience. Whenever possible, try the products yourself. This first-hand experience allows you to create genuine, convincing content. Return and refund rates. High return or refund rates can indicate issues with product quality or customer satisfaction. Merchant reputation. Consider the reputation of the merchant. Well-established brands with good track records are typically more reliable. Remember, promoting subpar products can damage your credibility and trust with your audience, leading to long-term negative effects. 3. Evaluating program reputation. The reputation of the affiliate program itself is equally important. You want to partner with programs that are known for their reliability, transparency, and fair practices. Here's how to evaluate program reputation. Affiliate reviews. Look for reviews and experiences from other affiliates. Forums, blogs, and social media can provide valuable insights. Payment history. Ensure the program has a history of timely and accurate payments. Delayed or missing payments are red flags. Support and resources. Check if the program offers support and resources for affiliates. Good programs provide marketing materials, training, and responsive support. Terms and conditions. Read the terms and conditions carefully. Understand the commission structure, cookie duration, and any restrictions or requirements. By partnering with reputable programs, you can avoid potential issues and focus on growing your affiliate business. 4. Matching products to your niche. Choosing products that align with your niche is crucial for success. Promoting relevant products ensures that your audience is interested and more likely to convert. Here's how to match products to your niche. Audience analysis. Understand your audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. What products are they looking for? Niche relevance. Select products that fit naturally within your niche. For example, if you have a fitness blog, promote health supplements, workout gear, and training programs. Complementary products. Look for products that complement what you're already promoting. This can enhance your content and provide more value to your audience. Trend analysis. Stay updated with industry trends and new products. Being an early promoter of trending products can give you a competitive edge. Matching the right products to your niche ensures that your promotions resonate with your audience and lead to higher conversions. 5. Considering the cookie duration. Cookie duration refers to the length of time a cookie remains active on a user's device after they click your affiliate link. This is important because it determines the window of time you have to earn a commission. Here's what to consider. Short duration typically ranges from 24 hours to a few days. Suitable for quick purchase decisions. Long duration can last from 30 days to several months. Beneficial for products with longer sales cycles. Lifetime cookies. Some programs offer lifetime cookies, meaning you'll earn commissions on all future purchases from that customer. Longer cookie durations can increase your chances of earning commissions, especially for high-ticket items or products with longer decision-making processes. 6. Understanding payment terms. Payment terms and methods vary between affiliate programs. Understanding these terms ensures you know when and how you'll get paid. Consider the following. Payment threshold. The minimum amount you need to earn before receiving a payout. Choose programs with reasonable thresholds that fit your earnings potential. Payment frequency. How often you get paid, e.g., weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Frequent payments can improve your cash flow. Payment methods. Common methods include direct deposit, PayPal, checks, and wire transfers. Ensure the program offers a method that works for you. Currency. Check the currency in which you'll be paid, especially if the program is based in a different country. Currency conversion fees can impact your earnings. Clear and favorable payment terms ensure you receive your earnings in a timely and convenient manner. 7. Utilizing marketing support and resources. Many affiliate programs offer marketing support and resources to help you succeed. These can include promotional materials, training, and tools. Here's what to look for. Promotional materials. Access to banners, graphics, email templates, and pre-written content. This saves you time and ensures consistent branding. Training programs, webinars, courses, and tutorials provided by the affiliate program. These can enhance your marketing skills and knowledge. Analytics tools. Access to detailed reports and analytics. Understanding your performance helps you optimize your campaigns. Dedicated support. Availability of account managers or support teams to assist you with any issues or questions. Utilizing these resources can give you a competitive edge and help you maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. 8. Aligning with your ethical standards. Ethical considerations are important in affiliate marketing. Promoting products and programs that align with your values ensures you maintain integrity and trust with your audience. Consider the following. Product integrity. Ensure the products are ethically produced and sourced. Avoid promoting products with questionable practices. Transparent marketing. Be honest and transparent in your promotions. Disclose your affiliate relationships clearly. Audience trust. Prioritize your audience's trust and interests. Promote products that genuinely benefit them. Sustainable practices. Support programs and products that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility. Aligning with your ethical standards not only builds trust with your audience but also contributes to a positive impact in the industry. 9. Evaluating program policies. Program policies can vary widely and impact your experience as an affiliate. It's important to understand these policies to avoid any surprises. Consider the following. Cookie policy. Understand how cookies are tracked and attributed. Some programs may have complex or restrictive policies. Commission structure. Review how commissions are calculated and any potential deductions or adjustments. Promotional restrictions. Be aware of any restrictions on how you can promote products. Some programs may have strict guidelines. Termination conditions. Understand the conditions under which your account can be terminated. This ensures you comply with the program's rules. Clear and fair program policies provide a stable foundation for your affiliate marketing efforts. 10. Staying updated with industry trends. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly evolving. Staying updated with industry trends helps you adapt and stay competitive. Here's how to keep yourself informed. Industry blogs and news. Follow reputable blogs and news sources for the latest updates and insights. Affiliate networks. Join affiliate networks and communities. Engage with other affiliates and share knowledge. Webinars and conferences. Attend webinars and conferences to learn from experts and network with peers. Continuous learning. Invest in ongoing education and training. Stay curious and open to new strategies and technologies. By staying updated with trends, you can leverage new opportunities and keep your affiliate marketing efforts fresh and effective. To recap, choosing the right affiliate programs involves evaluating commission rates, product quality, program reputation, and aligning with your niche and ethical standards. Understanding payment terms, utilizing marketing resources, and staying updated with industry trends are also crucial. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is making informed decisions and staying committed to providing value to your audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips on affiliate marketing and online business success. Don't forget to like this video and share your experiences or questions about choosing affiliate programs in the comments section below. Let's build a community of successful affiliate marketers together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.